Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. The true cost of RV ownership, a 5-year breakdown. Many people dream of RV ownership, picturing endless road trips and the freedom to travel at will. However, the financial commitment goes far beyond the purchase price. To give a clearer picture, this analysis examines the total cost of owning a 2020 Keystone Bullet 243 BHS over 5 years, breaking down expenses and highlighting how frequent use affects overall cost per night. Key cost factors in RV ownership. RV ownership expenses can be grouped into 6 main categories. Purchase price, the upfront costs including taxes and fees, maintenance costs, routine upkeep and necessary repairs, carrying costs, insurance and storage fees, improvements, upgrades to enhance comfort and functionality, travel expenses, additional fuel consumption from towing, resale value, the estimated price the RV can be sold for after 5 years. Using a real-world example, let's examine how these costs add up. 5-year cost breakdown. The 2020 Keystone Bullet 243 BHS was purchased in 2019 for $23,500. Over the next 5 years, the following expenses were incurred. Maintenance cost, $3,400 for routine upkeep, parts replacement, and new tires. Carrying cost, $5,800 including $3,900 for storage and $1,900 for insurance. Improvements, $2,600 for backup camera, better mattress, upgrade shower head, and other enhancements. Travel cost, $2,700 in extra fuel expenses due to reduced towing efficiency. Resale value and total cost of ownership. Estimating resale value is challenging, but based on similar listings, the RV's worth after 5 years is approximately $22,500. Subtracting this from total expenses gives a total cost of ownership of $15,659 over 5 years. Cost per night, the more you use it, the cheaper it gets. One of the most overlooked factors in RV ownership is how frequently the RV is used. If it's only used for 20 nights per year, the effective cost per night is $157. However, in this case, the RV was used for 665 nights, bringing the cost per night down to $23.55. This highlights an essential takeaway. The more the RV is used, the lower its per night cost. Owners who only use their RV occasionally may be better off renting instead of buying. Is RV ownership worth it? For those who frequently travel and prefer the flexibility of an RV, ownership can be a great investment. It can also be more cost-effective than hotels when used extensively. However, occasional travelers might find that renting an RV for specific trips is a better financial decision. Ultimately, beyond the financial aspects, RVing offers lifestyle benefits such as personal accommodation, pet-friendly travel, and flexibility for those with health or mobility concerns. These factors are harder to quantify but can make RV ownership available for some. Final thoughts: if you're considering buying an RV, carefully weigh the costs against your expected usage. Those who don't plan to use their RV often should consider renting instead. For current owners, maximizing use can make ownership far more cost-effective. Regardless of the financials, an RV provides unique travel opportunity that goes well beyond just dollars and cents. If you own an RV, are these numbers accurate? If so, comment, or if not, provide some feedback. Brad Williams, Frugal Finance. Thanks for watching. Hope that helps. See you soon.